Hi, my name is Carl, and I'm from the Management Study Guide's content team. In this course, we'll learn about writing proposals in detail. Let's get started. Charles, the director of Zenith Computers, reads a bid in a local newspaper. Hope Business School is looking for vendors who can supply 45 laptops to be used for staff and teachers. This request for proposal will focus on the purchasing, setup, and service of the mentioned hardware. Charles wants to grab this opportunity and asks his assistant Linda to prepare a business proposal and send it to the school. Linda prepares the business proposal and sends it to the school for reviewing. Let us look at the proposal. Zenith Computers is interested in the bid and is happy to supply 45 desktops with following features: i5 processors, 4 GB RAM, 500 GB hard drive, 22-inch monitor, keyboard, and mouse. After preparing the proposal, Linda sends the proposal in an envelope. Hope Business School, Lakeview Hills, New York. 2 days later, Charles learned that the proposal was rejected by the school. He asked for a copy of the proposal and found out that it lacked certain basic information and had more flaws. The proposal was not sealed and sent. It was not addressed to Mr. Justin as instructed. Hope Business School is looking for vendors who can supply 45 laptops to be used for staffs and teachers. This request for proposal will focus on the purchasing, setup, and service of the mentioned hardware. Zenith Computers is interested in the bid and is happy to supply 45 desktops with the following features. Linda has not understood the requirements of the school clearly and was not punctilious. They have asked for supply of laptops, and proposal was sent for supplying of desktops. If Linda had been meticulous and prepared the proposal with care, Zenith Computers might have made a huge profit. To write a winning business proposal, the following points should be followed. Study the requirements, understand the client, outshine your competitors, explain the time and cost, describe why your company is the best. Course objectives. Why do we write proposals? The proposal genre, the proposal writing process, analyzing problems and opportunities, types of proposals, describing the current situation, developing a project plan, describing qualification, introduction, cost and benefits, developing budgets, writing with style, designing proposals, using graphics, and the final touches. An old proverb says, "The only constant is change." The world is constantly changing. This creates both new opportunities and new problems. A proposal is a tool for managing change. What is a genre? A genre is a consistent pattern that both you and your readers recognize as a specific type of document. The proposal genre includes a few important elements that your readers will expect. They are the current situation, the project plan, qualifications, and costs and benefits. Let us look at each in detail. Ways to write proposals. The best way to write proposals is to follow a repeatable process that takes your initial ideas to a finished document. There are 5 stages in writing proposals. Stage 1, planning and research. Stage 2, organizing and drafting. Stage 3, improving the style. Stage 4, designing. Stage 5, revising and editing. Let us look at each in detail. 2 basic reasons for writing proposals. Proposals are written for 2 basic reasons: to solve a problem or to take advantage of an opportunity. In both the cases, the proposal writer should ask himself what elements in the current situation changed recently and created this problem or opportunity. Reading Request for Proposal, RFP. A proposal is born when a business or government agency publishes or sends out an RFP. RFPs are called a variety of names according to the kind of work or information the client is seeking. An RFP is also called a Call for Proposal, CFP, a Request for Application, RFA, and Call for Quotes, CFQ. An RFP describes the project that a company or an organization wants completed. Writing the Current Situation section. When writing the Current Situation section of a proposal, transform your maps and your research into readable sentences and paragraphs. The Current Situation section should include 3 parts. Number 1, an opening. Number 2, a body. Number 3, a closing. Let's look at each in detail. A typical introduction will include 6 steps. They are: state the subject of the proposal. Identify the purpose of the proposal. State the main point. State the importance of the subject. Provide some background information on the subject. Forecast the organization of the proposal. When balancing a page layout, graphic designers will talk about the weight of items on a page. What they mean is that some items on a page attract the reader's eyes more than others. A picture, for example, has more weight than printed matter. This is because, more than printed words, pictures draw the reader's eyes. Guidelines for using graphics. There are 4 guidelines you can follow when using graphics in a proposal. A graphic should do the following. Number 1, tell a simple story. Number 2, reinforce the written text, not replace it. Number 3, be ethical. Number 4, be labeled. Let us look at each in detail.